Oh, God, what is that noise I keep on hearing outside? Trying to take a little nap. Let's see what that is. And I just fixed my wall, so I'm pretty sorry about that. Okay, let's go. What is that noise outside I keep on hearing? Is that Jasper whistling? Jasper! 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 Where are you?
Up in the sky.
Oh, what the? Where did you get? Is that a helicopter?
It is.
When did you get a helicopter? Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Just fly away without you. Whoa, this is really cool.
Yeah, want to jump in?
Sure. Whoa, fly. Up, and away. Ooh, this is really, really cool.
Team Cool guys blast off again.
Nice.
Ah, what's going on?
You're in the trees.
We're stuck.
Ah! No! What have you done? Ah!
Huh?
Oh.
Better.
Good. We're still in the tree. We're by the clouds. We're in the clouds.
I did it.
What just happened?
I
There's the helicopter pad over there, by the way.
I know.
You just landed in the water.
Oopsies.
We're gonna drown!
I didn't see one.
There's a helicopter pad back there.
I know.
Let's go over to it.
Okay.
You're going the wrong way.
I know.
It's so cool, though.
I just took my helicopter license today.
Today?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh.
You landed.
There's even more helicopters.
There's a blue one.
Yeah, and there's even a.
I'm gonna get off.
Okay. Oh.
I'm okay.
Is that right when we're up in the air?
There's an airplane. There's helicopters.
Yeah.
Man, there's a lot of stuff here.
I took the yellow one because I'm yellow, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the blue one. I'm gonna drive.
Hey, you can't just do that. Have you took your?
I'll buy it.
No.
Money.
No.
okay, I'm just joking.
Shit.
What? Why did? It's okay. Why do you have a bow? Stab it. Stab it. Why are you shooting the helicopter?
I don't know. Become smaller. See?
Ow!
Look at the helicopter. Become smaller.
What? 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 How does that make sense?
Let's take the plane.
Yeah, let's go. I'm in. Wee.
Oh, I almost think that right.
Nice job, Mr. Pilot. Let's see. Stop. I don't know.
That costs like $2 billion. Come on.
Don't you have like a billion zillion left though?
It's money.
I know.
Money is not one of the plane, okay, dude?
Okay, I'm just saying.
Once I got that thing. So.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I almost have a handy helicopter on me, so it's fine.
What?
Yeah, I have my airplane. I have 2 airplanes on me.
On you?
Yeah?
How does that make sense?
Nothing in this world makes sense anymore.
True.
Just gonna.
I'm a blue glow creeper and you're a yellow cat. Why am I impressing as well?
Well? Come on, dude. Jump in.
Coming. It's hard to get up. No.
Better.
You just crashed again. okay now.
No, go. I got it to fly.
Yay! Free! Oh, crap.
I'm trying to
You
fly.
keep on crashing it.
Well, it's not my fault that it just won't fly.
Oh, shoot.
It won't fly.
Finally, we're up.
I'm
I'm just gonna get off.
I haven't taken my plane license.
I'm just gonna
so.
take off. Yo, now just get off.
Yeah, the helicopter's much better.
Yeah. By the way, I have an airplane.
You took it.
How did I get this?
You took it.
How did I even get that? I actually don't know how I got that.
You know the one that crashed.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, you picked it up.
Oh. So we had it the whole time. Wow.
Stupid.
So what do we want to do now today?
I don't know.
Want to go on your cruise ship? Let's go on the cruise ship.
What cruise ship?
I saw a ship over there last time I was here before I started living here.
Oh yeah. Let's go over there with a helicopter.
You don't have to use a helicopter or anything. It's literally right over here.
But how the frick are you gonna get over there?
I'm running. I'm running away from my feelings. Woo! Running away from my feelings. Woo! I see it. You know what?
Yeah, what? Bye, dude. I'm going.
Where are you?
I'm taking the helicopter to the boat.
Ah.
Uh-oh.
I see you. Geronimo! Oh! Almost died. I'm swimming. I see you. I'm coming.
I see you.
Ah! Derpies. Oh. Hello. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. The herpaderpies. Help me. Ow! Stop! I'm gonna die!
Fine.
Get up! I'm up. I'm up.
No one told you you were safe.
Ah!
I told you you were safe!